Hello, welcome to GameUp 4 Hackathon. This is the afterlight product. You can preserve the memory of your loved ones, their voices, their values, and all the details about them. So their persona will be created like you are talking with the real loved ones. Okay, so let's begin with this. So this will be the start page. I am creating persona of my late Dadaji, who is my grandfather. You can give more details here, birth year, past year, and you can a few more details you can add. Then you can continue the agreement, sign this agreement. Here Capture Studio, you can give videos, recordings, photos, letters, PDFs, plain text, all the details. I recommend you to give more details as possible because there are two ways here. One is the training way, and where we will fine tune game of 4 model on your data. First we will synthesize data, then we will fine tune the data. And second way, where if you have small data set, then we will use context window and drag pipeline to talk with the persona. Okay, so here I will have a sample data, Dadaji's memories. So here all the 13 steps will get executed. So yeah, so this is getting executed. So now this is extracting memory card, then creating persona will be happen. Then we can generate synthetic training example for fine tuning. You can go ahead with these below steps, generate these 5 steps if you have more data. Otherwise creating persona capsule is enough, and you can go and do your own way. And one more thing is, this is the local only, so this track is using Olama and Gamma 4 on Olama. Okay, so this is the local first only, that's the main thing. Okay, now creating persona capsule is done. We have small data set, we will not go down, but before this is like checkpoint generate training data, you have to uh, review memories and approve those things like finding place in Khichdi, guarding as meditation, celebrating of birth in Mumbai. So all these are data is gathered from that whatever data you have submitted. So you can approve whatever capsules, whatever memories you want to approve, so it can go to train the gamma 4 model. Okay, whatever you want. So again you can go set up. Now this button is active. So more training data you have, then you can like generate the synthetic data, so it will be more better and it will be more adapted to your data set. Okay, so let it generate the synthetic data, then after that you can start training. Okay, till then as we have only one file and it is small data, so we can directly now talk with the Dadaji, because now it will use rag and context window because the data is small. So now if you give this, Dadaji, what did you do when you first moved to Mumbai? So Dadaji, it will like will think and then talk. Yeah, so here whatever Dadaji is saying, they are speaking here. Okay, and here in setting, like you have 11 labs API key configured, you can remove that also, you can configure it also. And if you want Dadaji's voice, then you can clone that voice using 11 lab. Okay, so that feature is also available here. Safety boundaries, like these are the safety boundaries. If you want, you can turn off, turn on them, and you can delete the memory space and all data. So that's what it is for this demo. So this is the preserving the presence of our loved ones with us. So this is the product which is using Gamma 4 E2B model locally. Yeah, and you can have multilingual also. It's like here English, but this is the primary language, but you will have multilingual here. They can talk in multiple language if you talk in multiple language. And also you can give any data in language which Gamma 4 support. Okay, so yeah, that was for this hackathon. Thank you.